Hey there, fellow video creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you as we delve into the world of Adobe Premiere Pro and learn how to add some fantastic effects to your text. Whether you're working on a vlog, tutorial, or a cinematic masterpiece, these text effects will add that extra flair to make your videos stand out. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've got your text layer in the timeline. Head over to the Effects panel on the right side of your screen. Here's where the magic happens. Let's start with a classic, the drop shadow effect. Simply drag and drop it onto your text layer. You can customize the distance, opacity, and softness to achieve the perfect shadow for your text. Now, let's give our text a dreamy touch. Grab the Gaussian Blur effect and apply it to your text layer. Adjust the blurriness to your liking, creating a beautiful depth of field effect. Next up, the transform effect. This one's great for creating dynamic animations. Apply it to your text, and you can play around with the position, scale, and rotation over time. Perfect for adding some movement to your titles. For a grungy, hand-drawn vibe, try the Roughen edges effect. Apply it to your text and adjust the settings to add texture and character. This is a great way to give your text a unique and artistic touch. Now, let's outline our text with the brush stroke effect. It makes your text look like more enhanced with brush strokes. Sometimes, less is more. Use the crop effect to focus on specific parts of your text. Adjust the top, bottom, left, and right values to get that clean and minimalist look. And there you have it, folks. Textastic effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to experiment and get creative with your text in your next video project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy editing!